ngasi security force na Imphal East, Imphal West amadi Churachandpur district ta operation chathabada lo na thingkraba KCP lalumba group ki active cadre amadi Kykl gi active cadre Phagat pangamki operation adu da khuchu kulai kya Phagat pangamki security force na ngasi Imphal East ki kontha ahallu makha lekai da operation chathabada lo na thingkraba KCP lalumba group ki active cadre ama Phagat pangamki phagalaba mioi adudi wahembam ramanda singh chahi yankai mangondagi 19mm pistol with magazine, 6 live round of 9mm ammunition, 232 caliber pistol with magazine, 8 live round of 32 ammunition, mobile phone ama Phagat pangamki matam adu magtada Imphal West ki lamsang police station na konba Fayeng village ta operation chathabada lo na thingkraba Kykl ki cadre ama Phagat pangamki phagalaba mioi dogi maming di angom ajoy maitai chahi 39 mangondagi 1 bulletproof jacket, 1 bulletproof helmet, 1 military style waist belt, 1 telescope amadi mobile phone ama Phagat pangamki Churachandpur district ki Saidan village ta thiba humba chathabada khuchukulai kya Phagat pangam phagalaba khulai sing adudi 1303 rifle with magazine, 19mm pistol, 1 modified carbine machine gun with magazine, 1 locally made single barrel gun, 1 modified long range 81mm mortar, 2 locally fabricated pompey gun, 1 short range tear smoke cell, 1 long range tear smoke cell Phagat pangam akupa marong gi damakta description da hapjeriba Manipur article website asi buchang duni ingbi